I believe the best creation of God are humanity. Me, them. So whether you like it or not, lesbian, gays, bisexual, and transgender are part of this humanity. What a spectacular evening, people of Barangay Soledad, Sitio Riverside. Standing in front of you is a truly indeed young, fresh, indeed innocent 18 years old stunner who's taking the Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management in Pinma University, Cabanatuan City, province of Nueva Ecija. Since this the night of pageant, gathering of all the spectacular faces here in the universe, let me stand by the name of the one of the most unrecognizable women, Bini Mary Jane Lastimosa.